Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw and color cherries. This is the first video of a series of Valentine's Day videos which will be posted on my Patreon. If you would like to support my channel and see more in-depth tutorials, check out my Patreon and maybe you'll decide to join our cozy marker community. You will find there tons of voice-over video tutorials, coloring pages, and other helpful resources. In this video, I will be using my alcohol-based markers, but feel free to use whichever materials you have on hand. All the tools I'm using can be found in the description below. If you like what I do and you enjoying the videos, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. And please give this video a thumb up. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I will be happy to help you. Let's begin by outlining the pencil sketch I created earlier. I'll be using 3 different shades of red to bring these cherries to life. The skin of cherries is known for its smooth and even color. And I'll be achieving that by coloring slowly without lifting my marker. This technique allows the ink to flow seamlessly, creating a smooth effect. I'll start with the lightest shade and then add the mid-tone to the core shadow areas. To ensure a seamless transition between the two colors, it's important to use markers from the same color group. Also, make sure your markers are juicy enough, as a dry marker can make it difficult to achieve a smooth transition. Finally, I'll apply the darkest shade, blending it with the previous color to create a smooth and natural finish. We'll repeat these steps for the second fruit as well, bringing our beautiful cherries to life. Now we are ready to start addressing the base layer for the stems. We'll start by covering most of the body of each of the stems using a light green marker. With the light green base in place, we can move on to adding volume to the stems using a green mid-tone marker. I'm now working on the leaf. Underneath the fruits, I am now developing the shadow. I am applying my lightest warm gray tone, and we can blend this application with the colorless blender, creating a smooth transition from darker to lighter values. I then increase the contrast by adding the mid-tone here. Remember to smooth each layer to achieve a seamless transition. Adding even more variety to the color, I'll incorporate a mid-tone blue marker to enhance the contrast in the shadow areas. This color works beautifully with the green tone. And here comes my favorite part. With the white pastel pencil, I am working on the highlights. To add some extra sparkle, I'll use a white gel pen to add a few white dots. And the cherries are ready. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like this video, and if you want to check out my Patreon for more tutorials, feel free to do that. Let me know in the comments what would you like to draw next. See you in the next video.